kids, welcome to your channel Math Thinkers. How are you? I hope you all will be fine. Kids, today's topic is HCF, highest common factor. Before doing HCF, let's understand what is a factor. Factor, a number which divides the given number exactly, is called its factor. For example, given number is 8. Now 8 comes in which tables? In 1's table 8 comes, 1 8 ja 8, so 1 is its factor. In 2's table 2 4 ja 8, 8 comes, so 2 divides 8 exactly, 2 is also factor. In 4 tables 8 also comes, 4 2 ja 8, so 4 also divides exactly 8, so 4 is also a factor of 8. And 8 also comes in the table of 8, 8 1 ja 8, so 8 divides 8 completely, it is also a factor. So all these numbers are called factor of given number 8. Now let's find the HCF of two numbers which are 18 and 21. So first of all, we have two given numbers 18 and 21. We will find the factors of these two numbers, and from these factors we will find HCF. So kids, one more thing for you. First of all, learn the tables. Okay, for doing HCF you need to learn the table first, so please learn your tables. Okay, so now we will find the factors of 18. First of all, 18 comes in the table of 1, 1 18 ja 18. After that 18 comes in the table of 2, 2 9 ja 18. After that it comes in the table of 3, 3 6 ja 18. Now it doesn't come in the table of 4, it doesn't come in the table of 5, and it comes in the table of 6. But 6 I have already written, so I will not repeat this. So these all are the factors of 18. The factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. I have written them in ascending orders. Similarly, I will find the pair of factors of 21. 21 comes in the table of 1. 1 multiplied 21 is 21. Then it doesn't come in the table of 2. After that it comes in the table of 3. 3 7 ja 21. Then after that it doesn't come in the table of 4, 5, 6, and after that in 7's table it comes, 7 3 ja 21, but 7 I have already written, so I will not repeat it again. So these are the pair of factors of 21. I will write them in ascending order: 1, 3, 7 and 21. So now what we have to find? Highest common factor. First of all, I will find common factor. Which are the common factors here you can find? 1 is common, 3 is common. Only these two are common factor, 1 and 3. And we have to find HCF, highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor here? 3 is the highest common factor. So our answer of HCF of 18 and 21 will be 3. This is my answer. I hope you understood how to find the HCF. Let's take one more example. HCF of 24 and 30. We have two given numbers, 24 and 30. First of all, we will find the pair of factors of these two numbers. First of all, 24. comes in the table of 24? 24 comes in the table of 1. Every number comes in the table of 1. So 1 is always a factor of every number. After that 2. 2 multiply 12 is 24. After that in 3's table 24 comes. 3 8 ja 24. After that 4 6 ja 24. Then in 5 table 24 doesn't come. In 6 table 24 comes. 6 4 ja 24, but 6 I have already used here, so I will not repeat it again. So these all are the factors of 24. So I will write them in ascending order. 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. These numbers are the factors of 24. I'll also find the factors of 30. 1 multiply 30. Then in 2's table 2 multiply 15, 30. 3 multiply 10, 30. In 4's table 30 doesn't come. In 5 table 30 comes. 5 6 ja 30. After that in 6 table it comes. 6 5 ja, but 6 I have already used, so I will not repeat it. So these all are the pair of factors of 30. I will also write them in ascending order. 1 2 3 5 6 10 15 and 30. Now what we have to find? Highest common factor. First of all I will find the common factor. What are the common factors here? 1, 2 is also common, 3 is also common. After that 6 is also common. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So I have to find highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor here? 6 is the highest factor, so our answer will be the 6. HCF of 24 and 30 is 6. 6 is my answer. So in this way I can find the HCF of any two given numbers. This method is called by listing of factors method. This is called listing of factors method because we have made the list of factors of the given numbers, then we have chosen the common factor and highest common factor. Okay kids, I hope you understand. In my other class I'll tell you the another method also to find the HCF. Till then you practice this method, revise your tables so that you can easily and rapidly find out the HCF of given numbers. So kids, bye bye. That's all for the today's class. I hope you are enjoying. Please like, share and comment your channel Math Thinkers, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.